If your husband is impossible to shop for because they already have everything, this is the kind of luxury gift that actually feels really special. This is the King Arthur Gold Straight Razor Kit from Naked Armor, and honestly, the packaging alone already feels premium. The gold details and the ebony wood handle, Japanese stainless steel blade make it feel more elevated than just a typical grooming gift. And it comes with everything he needs to get started with straight razor shaving at home. If he deals with razor burn or still uses basic cartridge razors, this is such an upgrade. It turns shaving into like a ritual instead of just another chore. The shave feels super smooth and clean and way less irritating. I love that this gift feels thoughtful and luxury, but it's still practical and not one of those gifts that gets forgotten after like a week and never gets used. If you're looking for a Father's Day, a birthday, or an anniversary gift for the man who already has everything, this is such a good one. Okay, ladies, if you are stuck on what to get your husband or your boyfriend, this right here is the Naked Armor Straight Razor Kit, and it's honestly the perfect gift. The packaging alone is so premium. It's like opening a luxury watch box, but inside it's everything you need for an old school traditional shave. The straight razor is made with Japanese steel and a solid wood handle, so you can literally see craftsmanship. And it comes with all the tools, the guides, and accessories, so even beginners can use it. And it makes the best gift for a birthday, Father's Day, or the holidays, you name it. So if you're looking for something that's unique and thoughtful, this is it. Get your Naked Armor Straight Razor Kit today. I know he's going to love it.
When I opened the wooden box, it immediately felt like stepping back into another era. The case itself looked like a small treasure chest, with its polished wood smooth finish, and a secure little clasp that clicked softly as I lifted it open. Inside, everything was perfectly arranged, each piece resting in its own place, almost like a display in a fine boutique. The first item I picked up was the large round tin. It had a beautiful embossed lid. Next came the leather strops. They were folded neatly, and as I lifted them, I could feel their strength and softness at the same time. I brushed my fingers gently across the surface so the texture was visible, showing the quality leather that keeps the blade sharp and ready. Finally, I saved the most beautiful piece for last, the razor itself. The deep brown handle gave it such a classic, timeless look. Turning it slowly in my hands, I could see the craftsmanship, the balance, and the elegance that made it feel more like an heirloom than just a shaving tool. To finish, I placed every piece carefully back into its place inside the box, closed the lid, and left it with a sense of a complete ritual, an entire world of classic shaving tradition contained in one elegant wooden case.